After personally encountering the frustrating Nvidia Driver installation problems and spending extensive time testing various solutions, I finally identified several effective methods, and I will now guide you through them. This video provides the ultimate guide to fix Nvidia Driver 674 Cant install and black screen error. Our first method, the clean driver installation, works by completely erasing any old, corrupted or conflicting driver files. This is like starting with a blank slate. Old driver bits often clash with new installations, causing failures or a black screen. This ensures a pristine environment for your new driver. Next, disabling fast startup helps because this Windows feature can prevent your graphics card from starting correctly. When fast startup is on, your PC isn't truly turning off, it's in a special sleep mode. This can block the full system reset needed for a proper driver install. Turning it off guarantees a complete restart. Updating your Windows system addresses compatibility. Graphics drivers need an up-to-date operating system to function. Older Windows versions might be missing key files or updates the new Nvidia driver expects. Keeping Windows current provides the necessary foundation, preventing installation failures. Finally, checking your hardware connections is important because sometimes the issue isn't software. A loose graphics card or a bad monitor cable can cause a black screen. Resetting the card ensures it's firmly connected to the motherboard. Checking all display cables confirms your signal can get through. These physical checks often resolve display problems quickly.